Millions of farmers, each with a story. eBay, things people love. Booking.com has space for absolutely anyone. For instance, imagine you're a family of interstellar beings traveling to expand your horizons. You find a hotel with out-of-this-world balcony views. Seeing is believing. There's room service for your kids who sample the planet's culinary data and even experience most sophisticated technology, the Slither. If curious aliens can find their perfect stay, anyone can. Find exactly what you're looking for. Booking.com, Booking.com.
Logan Fury is so smart. He's a charisma insurance switching to Progressive. With that money, he bought a new treatment. He's working on a job.
One hand, the ordering arrival means your second cash back. Nice. The 5% cash back from Venmo Stash from your favorite brands when you take with your Venmo debit card. Take out the watches, entertainment and more. Pick a bundle with your groceries and start earning cash back with those brands. Venmo Stash, get more cash. Save your phone for time back to the Venmo MasterCard is issued by the bank or bank entity. Venmo Stash government terms and exclusions apply. That's $100 cash back per month. See terms at Venmo.me/stash.
Hi, I'm Carolyn.
Y'all probably wondering why I'm out here. I just be coming out here to like ease my mind and shit when I be having a whole bunch of stuff on my mind. Cause like, look at it, man. Look at my surroundings, man. Like, it's just good view, good nature. Water so peaceful. It ain't nobody out here. Just trees. I ain't gonna lie, I highly recommend everybody just take some time out their day or their week and just like find some space to where you can just go by yourself and just think about life. Cause like sometimes this shit get real treacherous and you get in your head, you start feeling like you ain't doing enough. And that's where I'm at right now. Like, in this water is like a symbol of like just taking everything slow and just be smooth and be still, bro. Cause no matter if it rains, sleet, hail, or snow, this water still gonna be here moving the same way it's moving right now. Like, and it's a perfect day. Like, ain't nobody out here to bother me. All this shit. But y'all ain't gonna understand what I'm saying though, bruh. Cause y'all be too busy trying to get drunk, you know what I'm saying, get high, go to parties, do all this shit. Man, I do this shit 10 times out of 10 before I do any of that I just named, bruh. Cause it's not fulfilling. Like, it's not making me happy. This shit making me happy. Like, by myself, I can just think thinking new ways to make money to just better myself every day. Like, hey, you look at these rocks as problems, and you look at the water as just like throwing your problems to God. I feel down, I feel overwhelmed, bro. I pick up a whole bunch of these rocks, and just throw them, and I'm just leaving it up to God. Oh. One day I'm gonna have a Trackhawk right here.